दैट विल गिव यू एन आइडिया कि आपको अगर 100 जॉब्स ऐसी अवेलेबल है तो उसकी तैयारी कैसे करनी है। आप उसके जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन खोल के देख सकते हो कोई पर्टिकुलर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस मांग रहा है क्या। Alright guys, so welcome back once again. I am here in Bremerhaven right now, sitting here with students who are currently studying their masters. What are you studying masters in?
I am studying in PEET course, Process Engineering and Energy Technology.
So before I dive into this topic, why don't you guys introduce yourself and then we'll talk about admission process and other topics.
So, good afternoon. My name is Pranav Parmar and I am from Bhavnagar, Gujarat. My background is chemical engineering and I am studying here in master course in Process Engineering and Energy Technology. GPA 2.5 and in CGPA 7.5. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I have work experience of 1 year in Sumitomo Chemicals India Limited in Bhavnagar unit. My IELTS score is 6.5.
Okay, cool.
So hello, myself Bhavani Pratap and I am from Madhya Pradesh, Indore, and I am also studying here Process Engineering and Energy Technology. Grade in bachelor's was 7.4. I worked as 2 years as a research assistant and then 1 year in chemical industry.
What about you?
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sanskar Patil. I am from Nandurbar, Maharashtra. I am pursuing Process Engineering and Energy Technology course, CGPA 9.3.
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था। नाइस यार। मतलब अभी कोई देख रहा है उसका स्कोर 6.5 रहेगा तो वो बोलेगा बंद करता हूँ मैं वीडियो छोड़ बे डरा दिया भाई तुझे Okay, cool. First question. If there is a student who's doing a chemical engineering bachelor's mein,
Yes.
what kind of masters one can apply in a country like Germany? What options do I have?
For chemical engineering, we have a lot of options available, like one of my course, Process Engineering and Energy Technology. Another is Chemical Engineering. Third is Water Technology and
Hydrogen technology, solar energies and wind energy, and something which are more focused on research based, like in advanced material synthesis and all. We have a lot of options in chemical engineering, so one can have approach to many universities if they are from chemical engineering background.
Can we start talking about which all universities you applied? Tell me the course name and the university name.
I applied in 3 universities: OVGU, Magdeburg, CEEE, Ulm University, Master in Chemical Engineering, Hochschule Bremerhaven. Got offer letters, 2 of them, but I select this one because this is a public university main and semester contribution is less compared to Ulm, and this is specific for process engineering compared to the Ulm University.
I applied to 2 universities, Hochschule Bremerhaven, FAU. I got offer from Hochschule Bremerhaven, and for FAU I was not selected because they have some specifications for each subject you have studied in bachelor's, so they just require grade of every subject to be above average, so I was rejected there. So just I applied to 2 universities and got one.
I have applied for 3 universities, OVGU Magdeburg, Ulm, Hochschule Bremerhaven. I got offer letter from OVGU and Hochschule Bremerhaven and rejection from Ulm University because the credit point of my Indian university doesn't meet their requirement.
Okay. In terms of career opportunity, right? Where does Germany stand in terms of getting a good job? Like if let's say you are graduating, almost graduating, right? What kind of career opportunity you guys are seeing for yourself?
I can apply for process engineering job and energy related companies. I get to know from my friend who suggested me Air Liquid company which hire process engineers, BASF company which is multinational well-known company. For energy technology we have too much options in our city also because Germany depends on a renewable energy technology like wind energy and solar energy are the main background for this job.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
So basically, like we have many options in industries. Also, based on our course, we have got a lot of options in research institutes and even in industry research departments. We can get there because based on our course, we have done some research work also in the labs. So we have both the options available to work in the industries and as well as in the research institute.
I want to add one more opportunity is a fuel cell. Nowadays in automobile industry in Germany particularly there is more option in fuel cell in electric batteries for most of companies, known companies like BMW, Mercedes, Audi. So we have one subject also in our second semester. There is electrochemistry. After that we also also get into that field also.
What is your current semester contribution?
My first semester contribution is 344, and now in second semester we have to give 330
330 per semester.
per semester. And I want to add one more thing, that in next semester our semester ticket also include Deutschland.
Okay. So you can travel across Germany
Yeah.
basically.
In second class transport.
Right, right. In terms of your life in Bremerhaven, right, as a student, if I was to come for this course, what's my life going to look like? Do I get a part-time job here? How do I manage my finances? What I'm trying to ask you.
We have to try more compared to other cities. In my personal experience, I also get part-time and mini job also. So it's pretty good pay and all.
Can you tell people, if somebody wants to apply for this course, what's the admission process?
For this course, there is 2 cycles for the admission. One is in summer and one is in winter. And one can apply through UniAssist. That is the first option. And if you miss the admission or the deadline, and if you have applied but missed the deadline, then you can apply directly to the university in the next sem without UniAssist. So these 2 options are there. And for this course specifically, the requirements are 2.3 GPA in the German system, and A1 for German Goethe certificate, and I think for IELTS 6.5. And even you can apply with TOEFL. They just consider everything. If you have got the instruction certificate from your previous college, they even accept that.
So how big is your batch currently?
Our batch is like 30 to 40 students, like most of them are Indians.
Last message from 3 of you individually. What do you want to tell the student who's studying chemical engineering और उसको भी masters करना है chemical engineering में Germany में? What is your message to them?
एज ए केमिकल इंजीनियर मैं बोलूँगा, सब बेसिस अपने पक्के कर लो स्टडी के हिसाब से. ले सको तो 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लेके ही आवे क्या ना, क्योंकि एज अ फ्रेशर आई नो हाउ मच इट डिफिकल्ट व्हेन प्रोफेसर टीचेस अस. एक्सपीरियंस इन इंडस्ट्री रियली काउंट.
My message for the students coming for process engineering and energy technology is to have themselves prepare for the German environment. And first, the main thing is learn German, because as a chemical engineer or process engineer, you will require German everywhere to work, and don't just focus on the part-time jobs and all.
मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, कोई स्टूडेंट कंसल्टेंसी भी कभी कभी लेता है, पर एक्चुअली इन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर जर्मनी प्रोसेस इट इज़ द इजीएस्ट प्रोसेस आई नो फॉर द एप्लीकेशन. सो आप कंसल्टेंसी मत करें और अपने खुद से प्रोसेस करें, तो आपको सब पता भी रहेगा और आगे भी आपको कुछ प्रोसेस करने का आएगा तो मेन आप कर सकते हो. और मेन मैं भी यही बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरे दोनों क्लासमेट की तरह ही, जितना हो सके उतना जर्मन लैंग्वेज करके आओ, क्योंकि एक छोटे मतलब आप कंपैरेटिवली बर्लिन और वो सिटी के हिसाब से यहाँ पे जर्मन लैंग्वेज आपको ज़्यादा उसकी नीड होगी, वही है.
Cool. Alright guys, I will leave some important link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for joining. And if you are a chemical engineer, make sure that you also go on LinkedIn just to see what type of jobs are available for you. That will give you an idea कि आपको अगर 100 jobs ऐसी available है तो उसकी तैयारी कैसे करनी है. आप उसके job description खोल के देख सकते हो कि कहीं कोई specific tool मांग रहा है क्या, कोई certification मांग रहा है क्या, कोई particular work experience मांग रहा है क्या. तो because पढ़ाई तो हो जाएगी eventually, तो आप सबका गोल शायद से नौकरी निकालना है, और some may want to go for research as well. But I think LinkedIn is a great space to explore कि कौन से टाइप के jobs available है, और फिर उसके बेसिस पे आप अपना प्लानिंग आगे कर सकते हो.
और जितने कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर की लैंग्वेज, जैसे अभी हमको पता नहीं था कि पाइथन हमें यहाँ पे कोर्स है, तो हमने पाइथन का कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं था. इधर आके सीधा हमको पाइथन चलाने का बोल दिया उन्होंने, सीधा कोडिंग करो ऐसा बोल दिया. एक सब्जेक्ट है, सीधा कोडिंग का सब्जेक्ट है हमारा, तो वी हैव जीरो नॉलेज. सजेशन दूंगा कि पाइथन कर सको, वो कर सकते हो. दूसरा एक सिमुलेशन का कोर्स है एस्पेन, उसके भी कोर्स बहुत अवेलेबल है इंडिया में NPTEL पे. सो जस्ट डू इट.
Okay, just how what Nike says, just do it. Not sponsored. Anyway, if you've made it till here, hit that thumbs up button. And on this note, I would like to say goodbye.
Bye.